channel. Today I am going to teach you 1 to 20 numbers in French. So I already taught you 1 to 10 in the previous video. Now I am focusing on 11 to 20. Let's start from 0. 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I am going to teach you how to say 11 to 20 in French. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 21. Hope you had fun learning 11 to 20 numbers in French with me. Bye. See you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.